joining us tonight. If you're watching, type where you're from and in the comments, and we would love to say hi and hello to all of you. Tonight is going to be a very special and very inspiring because we have an amazing guest with us. So, she is someone whose story has inspired many Filipinos and people around the world to take brave steps towards better opportunities. At bago kami magsimula, magpapakilala muna kami. Kaming nandito sa Digimompreneurs. This is the Digimompreneurs Live. At meron tayong special guest pero magpapakilala muna tayo. Kaming mga host ngayong gabi ay magpapakilala muna. So, ako nga pala, si Mary Chris Trujillo, isang 4th grade teacher dito sa New Mexico, USA. Yes, at isa ako sa mga Digimompreneurs. At yes, I have 3 young adult children na nag-aaral sa college. At ang mga, my husband Jesse is also working in a cookware company. Sila ang aking greatest why, my family, kung bakit ako nag-join dito sa digital business. So that's from me. And Sis Divina, go, 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 introduce yourself.
Hello guys! So, Divina here. Ako nga po pala si Divina, originally from Cebu, na andito na ngayon sa Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So, may isang anak at may 3 apo at yung husband ko is working in the concrete industry, which is, he is the boss. So, that's from me, Sis Marcus.
Thank you so much, Sis Divina. Ate Marie, please introduce yourself. Please unmute po.
Hi everyone, ako nga pala si Marisa, isa ring Pilipina from Cotabato. At ako po pediatrician doon, pero nag-nursing din ako. Nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makatrabaho doon sa New Zealand at ngayon nandito sa Queensland, Australia at retired na po. At nandito ako ngayon sa Digimompreneurs.
Thank you so much, Ate Marie. Sis Vanessa, please introduce yourself. Very global tayo tonight.
Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi wherever you are around the world. Hi guys, my name is Vanessa. I'm currently living here in Washington, USA. And I have 3 kids. Right now, I'm working as barista, and formerly I work as a bank employee. And yes, guys, I am a Digimompreneur too. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sis Vanessa. Sis Del, please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are, I am Del, originally from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm here in Tennessee, USA for over 2 decades. So I'm a mom and a wife and also a grandma. And I joined the business because of my family. And I work in the healthcare industry, and I am also a farmer and a baker. Yan lang, sis.
Yes, thank you so much, mga sis. So, very excited talaga ako tonight kasi ang ating guest, siya yung first Pinay sa digital business sa buong mundo. Imaginein mo, mai-interview natin tonight ang isang very amazing Pinay na unang nag-join sa digital business. Kung tayo, pang ilang libo na tayo na nag-join siya ang pinakauna. So, yung pangalawang Pinay naman na na-interview na natin si Coach Lilibet kasi siya yung pangalawa. At ang pangatlo ay si Coach Michelle Arcillo. So, siya ang coach at mentor ni Coach Lilibet at ni Coach Michelle Arcillo. So, wala akong ibang tinutukoy kundi si Coach Gina Dimitrov ng BC, Vancouver, Canada. Welcome po, Coach Gina. Maraming salamat po na nandito kayo ngayon sa aming Digimompreneurs Live. Kami po ay sobrang saya, sobrang excited na makasama kayo tonight. Imaginein mo, yung first Pinay all over the world na nag-join sa digital business ay nag-guest sa Digimompreneurs Live. Very amazing talaga. Welcome po, Coach. Maraming salamat po.
Welcome po.
Thank
Hello
you
mga
po
ladies, mga
for
sisters.
being our special guest. Thank you po. In-approve niyo po ang aming invitation. Thank you so much. Alam niyo ba, inawitan ko si Coach Gina last year pa. Pero alam kong very busy siya kasi isa siya sa mga matataas na leaders ng ating digital business community. Kaya talagang ako ay patiently waited at naggamit na gamit ko dito ang pagiging guro ko dito, Coach Gina. Kasi matyaga ako at mapagpasensya at ako talaga'y matyagang nag-aantay. Maraming salamat po. Dumating din ang araw, ang gabi na makasama ka namin. Thank you so much. Coach
Thank
Gina, please introduce yourself.
Thank you. Naririnig niyo ba ako ngayon? Yes? Good?
Yeah.
So, good evening guys. I don't know where you are, but good evening, good morning, kung saan man yung mga followers or listeners natin. In Ilocano, I'm a proud Ilocano na imbag nga rabi iyo amin apo. Shout out to all the Ilocano moms or kababayan. Yes, ako si Gina Dimitrov. I am tubong Ilocano, I would say. Teacher as well from the Philippines in the north. And isa ding OFW. I work in Hong Kong as a live-in caregiver. Then stepping stone to come here in Canada. And I'm happy and proud, thankful that this is my second home now, Canada, for how many, almost 18 years in Canada. And a proud mom with two beautiful kids, 15 and 10. And of course, a proud and happy wife. And used to be an employee, but now a stay-at-home for 9 years already.
Whoa.
And thank you to this online business. And also thank you for waiting, Sis Marie Chris, for I know matagal na yon na panahon at nafe-feel ko din yung guilt feelings, but talagang ang oras at yung ginagawa ko sa buhay, hindi lang iisa na dalawa ang hats ko. As in hanggang dyan yung sombrero sa ko, sa buhay ko. And ayun nga, technical difficulties, sorry guys. But we made it. I'm using my cell phone now just to be, clear, loud and clear. So yan lang ang aking masasabi for now. Kung ano man yung mga itatanong niyo sa akin, I am here ready to answer it, inspire people who's watching at the moment. And gawin natin tong interactive, right? So thank you.
Yes. Yes, Coach Gina, thank you so much for being here tonight. And we are so excited to hear your journey and wisdom. So sa una naming tanong, di na kami magpaligoy-ligoy pa, Coach Gina, kasi excited na kaming marinig ang iyong mga sagot, yung mga golden nuggets na sasabihin niyo sa bawat tanong namin. Sis Divina, kindly read our question number 1.
So, Coach Gina, ito yung question number 1 namin. So, take us back to the very beginning. Before you started this digital business, what was life like for you as a mom and an immigrant in Canada? And what made you finally take that bold step even when the future was uncertain? Thank you.
Sino ba si Coach Gina? Sino ba siya dati? 2-3 jobs. Alternate shift with my husband. And I can say I'm grateful that I work in the federal government job, Canada Post, for 11 years, I would say. But looking back, the very first, as I said, I came here as a live-in caregiver. I work my next level of anong gusto ko. I am a dreamer. I am an adventurous. I said, this is just a stepping stone to be coming here as a live-in caregiver. I upgraded my education as a special educator. Pero hindi ko nagamit yon dahil nabigyan ako ng opportunity ng dalawang gobyerno, federal government job, which is taxation office, and Canada Post, postal office, both of federal. But ang unang nakapagbigay ng trabaho sa akin is Canada Post. So, and being an immigrant, wala kaming pamilya dito ng asawa ko. We started our life from zero to the highest level of ground level. And the reason for us to work hard because of our kids, kaya tawag nito, we sacrifice our time to be separated. We felt like we're single mom and dad dahil we really need to save money for childcare. Kaya alternate shift kami. My husband works 4 a.m. 4 a.m., then 12 in the afternoon, then ako naman 4 in the afternoon to midnight. So, no time with family, full of debts. As an immigrant, I don't know if you guys, but the real truth, kung wala kang second job, kulang yon para sa pamilya mo. And we are both breadwinner. Kami yung financial supporter ng family namin back home. So, and we both hard worker couple. So, whatever we can do to survive for our family and extended family, we do everything. Hindi lang dalawa, tatlong job kami, even Saturdays and Sundays. That's why the start of our journey here in Canada, talagang from the ground, and even before the business, talagang every penny or every dollar counts for us. And it's all worth it at the end. So from negative bank account, talagang paycheck to paycheck. Yan ang buhay namin. Walang time sa family. So that's the reason why nandito ako to inspire you paano nangyari at anong next. Ayokong ma-overlap yung mga questions niyo.
Okay. Thank you so much, Coach Gina. Sobra akong nakarelate nung sinabi mo na walang time. Kasi ako rin, hard worker din ako. Kaming dalawa ng husband ko. Pag uwi ko, talagang gabi na. Tapos, wala na rin akong time para sa family ko, para sa mga anak ko. So, sobra akong nakarelate dyan sa sinabi mo. Thank you for sharing that kasi it makes us it really touches our heart yung sinabi mo, Coach Gina, sa question number 1. Sis Divina, ano ang masasabi mo sa sagot ni Coach Gina sa question number 1?
Yeah, nakarelate din ako dyan kasi galing din akong Hong Kong. Stepping stone, live-in caregiver. Pagdating ko dito, live-in caregiver. After 2 years, I have my work permit. So, wala. 3 jobs. So, ganyan ang buhay dito kasi pag hindi ka maghanap ng 3 trabaho, hindi ka makabayad ng renta kasi ang mahal na. Kapag nawala ka na sa amo mo, at least yun, mura lang. Kapag mag-out ka na, nako, ang mahal ng babayarin. Kaya kailangan mo talaga maghanap ng plan B. Kaya andito ako ngayon because that's my family also, it's my inspiration. Andito ako ngayon. I'm not a techie savvy person, but I'm trying hard. So I am glad that I meet you, sis Coach Gina. So we're all here to learn more about the business. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Sis Divina, Coach Gina. Ngayon naman, puntahan natin ang pangalawang tanong. Question number 2, Ate Marie, pakibasa naman ang ating question number 2. Please unmute yourself, Ate Marie.
So, Coach Gina, you were the first brave Pinay in the world to join this digital community. What fears or doubts did you face at the time? And what gave you the courage to trust the journey when many people did not understand it yet?
Actually, one of those Filipinos, kasi may mga Filipino din na still doing the business, but I would say, yeah, 700 when I started this business community. 700 plus people. So I'm one of those na talagang what made me start this business at ako yung tipo na when I started this, honestly, there's an inferiority complex. That means to say, we're overthinking. Alam natin na lahat tayo may mga pinag-aralan, nakagraduate tayo, pero hindi tayo nahahas at nagagamit yon. So when I started this business, when I saw this opportunity kay founder natin, so sabi ko, meron akong inside me na, what if tawanan nila ko? Hindi first language ang English ko. So, mayroon akong takot nung nag-start ako. I'm excited. But at the same time, at the back of my head, parang, yun nga, yung doubt mo, na lagi nating minamaliit ang sarili natin. Hindi ko kaya to, hindi ako tech savvy, yung mga ganong bagay. So, yun ako dati, na talagang, if I remember one of the challenge from the community before to do the Go Live challenge. And during that time, I'm the person who's very scaredy cat. And even now, if a big stage, hindi lang halata kasi madaldal ako, but then sometimes I have still the fear inside me. So when I did the first Go Live Challenge, nagmumble ako. Parang talagang di ko na alam kung ano mapinagsasabi ko na isang oras na yatang introduce yourself lang. But that's how I conquer my fear. And when I get out of my comfort zone, yun na-unleash na kung sino na si Gina, na hanggang ngayon hindi mo na ma-stop magsalita or magbahagi ng kung ano-ano man, right? So it's just the matter of paano natin, ano yung gift and talent natin. Alam nating meron tayong lahat, pero natatakot tayo. But thanks to this community that we have, who gave us the courage to build that self-confidence na yung iba nga, yun ang comparison ko. Yung iba nga hindi gaanong marunong mag-Ingles, pero nagiging successful sila. That's my motivation and inspiration when I jump into the community. Na tayo, may pinag-aralan tayo, hindi lang tayo nagsasalita ng Ingles, kaya meron tayong inside us na, baka pagtawanan nila ako, baka magkamali tayo. We just overthink. Pero who knows? English Carabao, we can understand. Right? So, wag nating gawing hindrance yon or blockage natin yon. Kasi most of us are telling that, right? Like, hindi para sa akin yan. Kasi hindi ako marunong magsalita sa camera. Hindi ako para sa social media. That was me before. Hindi ako ganito noon just because of community, the encouragement, the people that we surrounded with. So, na-lift yung spirit mo. And this is the beauty of having a good community that uplift everyone. Kaya kung mga nanonood dyan na sinasabi nila, hindi ko kaya yan, I've been there. But I would encourage all of us have gifts and talents. So we just unleash that at alam natin madidiscover mo. And ako, from looking back my first Go Live Challenge before until now, natatawa na lang ako. And even the people that I mentored and coached, yan ang laging sinasabi nila. But I always share my story. And then a few weeks after or months, I see myself to people now. And that's how the encouragement that we need to give to everyone. Kaya sa mga nanood, sa mga ladies na twin sisters, we got you. We heard you well na talagang nandun ako dati. But now, anything you can ask, as I said, I'm all there. So the confidence boosted me really to the highest level na. And I am here to share and encourage everyone as well to do the same. Isang step lang yan to get out and di ka na mapipigilan. And that's me now.
Oh, thank you so much. Grabe, napaka-inspiring naman. Kasi nga, Coach Gina, ako rin introvert din po ako eh. Hindi lang halata kasi naging madaldal na rin ako nung nasanay na ako na mag-FB Live. Kasi dati hindi mo rin ako mapapalive eh, kasi nga natatakot ako. Baka mamaya anong masabi nung iba. Natatakot ako na pagtawanan ako at na magkamali ako habang may sinasabi ako habang nasa harap ng camera. So, kaya nakarelate po talaga ako ng gusto sa sinabi niyo na nung una ay nagmumble kayo, hindi niyo alam kung anong sinasabi niyo kasi nangyari rin sa akin yun dati. Di ba? Ate Marie, ano ang masasabi mo dyan? Ano ang reaction mo sa sagot sa question number 2 ni Coach Gina?
Natatawa na rin ako sa sarili ko. Kasi nakarelate ako. Alam mo, last year pa ako naging active, pero ang first live ko was last week.
Wow, congratulations. That's a big milestone.
Kaya sabi ko doon, kaya ko mag-video hanggang recording kasi nakakailang takes ka. Take 1, take 2. Pwede mong gawin yun. Kahit sabihin mo nga, ay, masyado na, yung, kung sa profession lang na ibabase, meron tayo dyan. Pero yung technology na tinatawag natin, I don't have. Hanggang sa documentation lang ako sa mga progress notes, o gumawa ng konting report, submit the report, magbabasa ng laboratory results. Yan ang aking skill sa work ko. But to be in social media, go on live, oh my goodness, yung pawis ko, tagaktak. Yung kaba. But because I was in a course and it is a requirement, those talents for me. But today you have to do. Doesn't matter. Just be you. No
Yeah.
makeup, no. Just be raw and just be you. Gabi ko yun. Habang siguro midnight na yung ginawa ko. Sabi ko, Lord, ano ba yung pinagagawa ko? But I did it.
Yeah.
And then I did the second, and then I did the third, and then I interviewed Marie
Galing. Yeah,
So,
that's accomplishment. Yeah, you have to acknowledge that kasi growth na yan and laki ng
Yes, and I'm
improvement.
so proud of myself at that moment. Sabi ko, yun na lang talaga. Get out of your comfort zone. Make
Yes.
that brave step. You can do it. You did it. I can do it.
Yes.
Back to you, Marie. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Coach.
Thank you so much, Coach. Thank you so much, Ate Marie. At yes, kailangan lang talaga nating we will go out of our comfort zone and just do it. Kasi alam nyo, yan na nga yung sinabi ni kanina ni Coach Gina, you will become unstoppable. So makarelate talaga ako dyan sa sinabi ni Coach Gina. Thank you so much po. At punta na tayo sa question number 3. Sis Vanessa, pakibasa naman ang ating third question.
Sure, sis. Okay, sis. Many people watching tonight and are working very hard every day, feels still stuck, feels stuck. What would you say, Coach, to someone who feels they are working nonstop but still struggling to create the life that they truly want for their family? Tinamaan yata ako doon, Coach. Yes, Coach.
Ikaw ba yan?
Sa akin, babato niyo, Coach.
Ikaw ba yan? So, yeah. So, you know what? I cannot blame other people onto that stage na ginagawa na nila lahat, ng makakaya nila, pero stuck pa rin sila. There's lots of blockage inside them. So, kailangan mong i-release lahat yun. I call that money blocks. Money block means maybe you have some bad experience that is holding you back. Right? Maybe just like me, hindi ako naniwala kaagad sa business. Ang asawa ko, hindi rin siya naniwala kaagad. Because there's so many reason for me not to believe that fast dahil na-scam na rin ako. Na shiny object na rin ako. And ang daming mga experiences na na-trauma na ang tao. Kaya some of the people, we cannot blame them. It's a healing process for them. But the good thing about that, mabibuild natin yung trust sa kanila in terms of showing up and showing what you can offer to them. Kagaya nun, kung may nakaka-relate dyan, na bakit kayo takot pa, ginagawa nyo na lahat, baka hindi rin nyo pa natatanggal mga lahat nun. Kasi there's still people out there who doesn't believe us, who doesn't trust us. Sa kanila parang whatever. But you know what? Those people, maybe I would say, I'm sorry to say, they are not your people at the moment. Maybe they are still healing to that, scars. Mayroon silang mga, Tagalog ng scars ng peklat. Mayroong mga napapagdaanan pa na hindi ka agad-agad na maniniwala sa ginagawa natin. But, kung kailan, ang tanong ko sa mga followers or mga viewers na yan, hanggang kailan nyo kikimkimin ang nararamdaman na yan? Kung alam nyo na nahihirapan na kayo sa buhay at talagang patong-patong na yung mga trabaho natin pero hindi pa rin enough, but we are blinded what we're seeing to other people that we don't wanna use and do the same thing what they're doing. Kasi may mga tao din na ayaw nila sa tingin nila, this is a real talk guys, ayaw nila na, pagkakakitaan mo lang ako. And that's my real story and experience. People don't want you to be successful because they want to go ahead of you, boys. But hindi ganon. Ang success sa buhay, mag-start tayo from scratch. And our business, it doesn't matter how talino you are, how smart you are, how educated we will start from scratch here, from zero ground training. So walang comparison dito or anything. Kaya napakabuti na mga taong hindi naniniwala or anything like that, you must see it first before you judge, before say anything. Kasi hindi nyo malalaman kung ano yung nai-enjoy namin ngayon dito sa community pa lang, sa relationship pa lang. Itong mga ladies na to or sisters na to, hindi ko sila mga kakilala. And at the back of the curtain later, or behind the scene later, I'm excited to get to know them. So yan ang isa pang i-offer namin sa community na to. Hindi kayo matatakot pag kayo nag-join sa community. At huwag niyong i-overthink yung sarili niyo na hindi niyo kaya. Na pare-pareho lang itong mga to. Yeah, pero I cannot blame those people because I've been there. But how long are you going to wait to sit down there and watching us growing and happy outside our social media now? So kung kinaya naming nag-get out sa mga problema namin sa buhay, natatakot din kami nung una, but sabi ko nga, lumabas kami sa lungga namin, here we are. It's a perfect example, guys, na lahat tayong nanonood ngayon, galing din kami doon. And we are here to share with you guys, to inspire you na, oy, ako yung kinakausap nito. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's why we are all here, 6 people, to lift you up, to listen to your story. Makaka-relate kami sa iyo, mabibigyan ka namin ng solution. And that's all. Thank you.
Wow, grabe, Coach Gina. Ang daming golden nuggets. Grabe na nagsasalita po kayo sa akin. Thank you po.
Amin
Nakarelate
siguro,
po talaga ako. Alam ko si Sis Vanessa, nakarelate din yan eh. Sis Vanessa,
So,
anong masasabi mo sa sinabi ni Coach Gina sa sagot niya sa
So, I
question
think-
number
from the first leader, I have to sit starting tomorrow. Sa inyo po nang galing, Coach, na we have to get out and we have to get out from our comfort zone kasi pinagdaanan nyo rin po. Siguro nag-hold back lang sa amin is people say nayers.
Yes.
Tawag doon.
Naysayers. Yes, naysayers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
naysayers. So maybe that's the one holding us back. Tapos, yun nga, Coach. So, from your word of mouth po, now we can fight for this.
Unleash
Thank
na
you,
ba?
thank you,
Nahugot
Coach.
ba? Nahugot?
I realize, Coach, that may kaya pala ganun lang po kasi it keeps going. So, thank you, Coach. Thank you. Ang daming golden nuggets.
Grabe, Coach, in-inspire mo talaga kami. Parang na-excite ako, na-inspire ako, na-challenge ako, Coach, doon sa sinabi mo na dapat lumabas ka sa lungga mo, na lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo, na ipakita mo kung sino ka. Basta gawin mo lang kung ano yung gusto, ipakita mo lang the real you. So, yes, I'm really very inspired po. Thank you so much for that answer po. And let us go now to question number 4. Sis Del, pakibasa naman ang question number 4.
Yes. Here's your question number 4, Coach Gina. Some people still misunderstand online or digital business and sometimes as if they are pyramid scheme. You explain in simple words that make this business different and how people can recognize a legitimate opportunity.
Yeah, pag
Yes.
naririnig kasi yan sa atin, MLM, multi-level marketing, o pyramid yan. I know pyramid like this. I've been to those pyramid scheme. That's why I can proud to say and compare what I've been through to those pyramid scheme to what we have. Kasi, ang work nga natin, pyramid scheme, right? Corporate job is a pyramid scheme too. Do you agree with me, girls? CEO,
Yes.
managers, supervisors, lead man, then employees. Sino ang very bottom? Worker. Right? Sino ang malaking sweldo? Those on the top, right? So the same thing with the employment. If you will compare everything pyramid scheme, dito, mayroon ba tayo noon? Yes, we are multi-level marketing business, but we are different from those pyramid scheme. Why? If I can discuss a long story with that, I'll just gonna discuss one thing with that. We have a unique compensation plan that no one can compare. We call it patented. No one can copy it. With all my networking businesses that I've been with, ni isa wala to. Kaya pag ako nag-coaching call, what is patented? Walang makakagaya. Hindi to kagaya ng mga pairing, binary, I've been those. Kailangan mong lagyan dito ng dalawa, dito din, para ikaw ay kikita. I've been to those. Here, kahit bago tong mga ladies na to, kahit nandito ako sa taas, kataas-taasan dahil ako yung unang Pilipino, it's not a pyramid because even you are brand new to the business, but you put your time and effort to the business, skies is the limit, I would say. Anyone can surpass you. There's no seniority, hierarchy, or any, empire here na talagang sila ang CEO lagi. Hindi. Walang ganyan dito sa business. I have a lot of business partners, top leaders already. They are above me already, but they are below me before. This is how this potential, unlimited, sky's the limit, I would say, this business opportunity. Doon ko binabase ang business natin na hindi pyramid. Kasi ang pyramid, laging si CEO ang nauuna lagi at malaking pera. Dito kahit huli ka, kahit bago ka pa lang o magjo-join ka pa lang, pero mas maganda yung takbo ng hard work mo, mas dinoble up mo yon, your net worth, ano yung halaga ng pagod mo compare doon sa mga employee natin. Magkano? $8.50 ang first salary per hour ko nung nani ako. So limited, walang increase niyan. Mag-i-increase maybe $1 or something. But here, sky's the limit. Compensation is one thing that you can really, really tell into this business. At walang ang hierarchy dito. Walang seniority dito. Dahil si Coach Gina, 700 pa lang ang tao dati. Ngayon, how many thousands of people? 100,000 of people. Pero guys, bago sila, pwede ka nilang lampasan. Yan ang kagandahan ng business namin. Kaya, kung sinasabi nilang pyramid, tingnan nyo muna bago nyo sabing pyramid. Kasi hindi nyo malalaman kung hindi nyo makikita yung potential earnings ng business na to. And I can proud to all of the people below me who surpass me. That's the success of this business. Unlimited success. Kaya worth it pa rin na tingnan nyo kung kayo ay nagsasabi noon, kung isa kayo dyan na nagsasabi na, oh, pare-pareho lang din yan, pyramid naman yan. I've been there. Did I listen to them? Of course, I'm not gonna put my time and effort. I'm not gonna put my energy to them. Let them watch us, do what you can, and inspire other people who needs the opportunity that we are putting as a solution for everyone. Kaya nga alam nila yung pains and pain point natin sa buhay. Ano yung pinagdaanan natin. Ngayon, eto na ako. Bakit mo sinabing pyramid? Dapat noon pa. Gina-judge nga ako eh. Ay, 1 buwan lang yan, 1 taon lang yan. Mawawala din yung business mo kagaya ng iba. I'm here still. And proud to say, grateful na hindi ko pinakinggan ang mga nasa paligid ko. Kasi sometimes distraction natin yun. Yung mga taong takot na tayo ay aangat. Pero kailangan nila tayo in terms when you become successful, diyan na sila papasok. Ay, sana nakinig na lang ako noon sa'yo. Ay, sana nag-join na. It's not too late yet. Maybe it's not your time before. Now when it's your time, eto na. So wag nyo nang patagalin. Kung nakikurious kayo, gusto niya pa ng deeper explanation for that pyramid scheme na sinasabi nyo, we will show you more from compensation plan. We cannot just discuss here. That's part of the coaching that you will gonna benefit into this business. So hindi kami po pyramid scheme dahil anyone can succeed here. No matter how old I am in the business, you can go above me. And yan ang kagandahan ng negosyo. Napakadami nang na-change ng buhay. At hindi mo mapipigilan. Dahil worth it ang kanilang pagod, puyat, and everything. Pag na-reach na nila yung success na gusto nila, they are contented. And I am one of those. And it doesn't matter how high people now, above me, below me, I'm happy and I'm proud to each and everyone in our community. Because na-reach ko na yung happiness ko sa buhay. Simpleng pangarap lang dati na mag-stay at home, surpass ko na yon. I cannot ask for more from God. I'm just so grateful for everything this business has given me. Now, I'm here to give back to you guys and to the people na nakikinig, nanonood. Kaya nyo to. Kung kinaya ni Coach Gina na hindi non-tech sabi, kaya nyo din. Kaya, huwag nyong maliitin ang inyong mga sarili. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Gina. Grabe. Sobrang 100% akong na-inspire. 100% akong na-boost ang aking energy at ang aking motivation. Thank you for motivating us. Kasi minsan, tinitingnan ko rin kasi minsan noon dati yung sarili ko na minamaliit ko na baka mamaya hindi ko kakayanin kasi mas magaling sila at ako hindi. So, nakarelate ako kasi dati ganyan din po ang mindset ko eh. Thank you po, Coach, for reminding us na dapat nating ipagmalaki ang ating sarili at huwag nating ikahiya ang ating sarili. Kailangan talaga nating maging proud tayo sa kung anong meron tayo ngayon at kung ano yung, itong positivity na nakukuha natin sa business, hindi nabibili ng pera yan. Yung nag-gain natin knowledge ngayon at golden nuggets kay Coach Gina, hindi nababayaran yan ng salapi. Yan ay mga very golden na mga priceless na mga ideas na naisi-share based on Coach Gina's experience. So, thank you so much, Coach. Punta na tayo sa question number 5. Ate Marie, please read our question number 5.
Coach, after many years in this journey and mentoring leaders like Coach Michelle Arceo and Coach Lilibeth De La Cruz, what has been the most meaningful change in your life and in your family's life because you decided to start?
For me, meaningful sa akin pag nakikita ko yung taong kagaya ko noon, na in some way na-touch ko yung lives nila, nakinig sila based on my true to life story, in-apply nila, then success na sila, that's my fulfillment, I am successful as well. That means to say na talagang worth it ang pag-learn ng kung ano yung ginagawa natin. Right? Tsaka sa akin, yun nga, sinabi ko kanina na sa mga tao na yan, lahat ng mga dumadaan, kasi lahat ng mga na-mentor and coach ko, I am there. I listen to people. On the very lowest point of their life, I've been there with them. I listen and I give advice based on my true to life story and experience. Hindi ako eksperto, hindi ako the smartest, and the brightest among the brightest, but I speak from my heart and based on my experience. Yung lesson learned na nagawa ko noon, na ayaw ko nang gagawin ng iba, para puro tama na lang ang gagawin. So parang na-shortcut na ba? Wala nang paligoy-ligoy. So that's how when I mentor and coach people. And now, even now, lahat ng mga once in their lifetime journey, yung tipong na-touch yung lives, na-touch yung lives nila with one powerful word that you've given to them, maaalala ka nila in their life. So that's the legacy that I always give to people. Na simple lang ang aking formula. Just be who yourself, be humble with yourself, and always be grateful to whatever you receive, and celebrate every moment. Kahit maliit pa yan. Just like what you shared earlier. Kung nag-get out ka na for how many, you waited for 1 year, you have to acknowledge those. So that mabuboost pa yung confidence mo. So pag nakita ko yung mga taong ganon, kasi narinig ko sila, nag-reach out sila, I know their pain points in their life. When they step out of that, yun nga sabi ko kanina, parang I see myself to people that I touch their lives. So that's the most important legacy, gift, na mabe-benefit ng mga taong nakakasalamuha mo. In my life, honestly, sa business na to, I don't know if that's the question or you don't have any questions now. Sa akin, I cannot ask for more from God. kung ano binigay niya sa akin sa business na to. Looking back my life, the same with the people who succeeded into this business. Ang masasabi ko na lang, thank you, Lord. Use me as an instrument to other people. Magsisilbi ako and, make me an instrument. Kung ano yung binigay mo sa akin, magsisilbi ding huwaran sa mga tao or be the role model of other people. We don't want the other people to suffer anymore. Kaya, what you see, what you get, what you hear from me based on my true to life story. Wala na akong hihilingin pa kundi magpasalamat at mag-pay forward sa community natin, sa inyo, na kayo din, one day, kayo din yung magbibigay ng testimonial sa other people. So yun lang, pag nakikita ko na silang lahat na nag-grow, I acknowledge them, I am more than million or a billionaire, trillionaire in my heart. Hindi yun nababayaran ang success na yun. Kung na-touch mo ang buhay ng bawat isa, it doesn't matter, hindi sila nag-grow sa business nila, hindi sila naging successful, pero naging part sa buhay mo sila, maaalala ka habang buhay. Yun dapat ang ating i-impart as a legacy. Hindi lang ang success puro pera, puro karangyaan, puro title, hindi yun ang success. Ang success sa akin, kung nakita kitang happy dati, talagang stubborn ka just because of your influence, nag-change yung buhay niya, that's already $1 million for me. So my success is different from other people. But when you see people happy, contented, yun na yung success nila. So what else they can ask for? For me, I just let God use me to whatever He wants me to do to people. And I am obedient to help people. And I'm obedient to listen what He's telling me to do. So I am the the next level of my success now, which is you cannot compare in monetary anymore. A service, a calling na. Because I found my passion to teach and inspire and motivate people. Thank you.
Wow!
Grabe.
Ang dami, ang dami,
po.
ang dami, nuggets talaga. At saka, I remember, I was listening to Father Orbos, if you're familiar with Father Orbos
Yes.
earlier. I was listening to him. Isa yan sa mga tinatanong niya, sabi niya, have you asked yourself, what have you done to the community? What have you done to your brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
Kung happy ka ngayon, did you share your happiness?
Mhm.
So kung successful ka ngayon, are you sharing your success? What way are you doing it? So I really can't, and I'm so proud that I'm here now, and I'm so thankful and grateful as well, listening to you, how you handle your success. Ang ganda. So that's
To the
one
next level.
the next level talaga. So,
I'm on service na. Service ako.
oo.
Every day, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, my prayer every day, Lord, who I can help today. And ito pang sasabihin ko, 10 my minimum to connect with. If I make the limit is 20, it doesn't matter, gagawa ba yan ng pera, pagkakakwartahan ba yan, hindi na yon. If I touch people's lives, 10 minimum, 20, more than 20 every day actually. It's about conversation and connecting with people. Fulfilling ang buhay kung ganon. And you always close your eyes and, before you go to bed, ipag-pray mo yung mga taong na-reach out mo. Yun lang yung solution doon. And that's my everyday mantra and routine in my life.
Oh, grabe. So, kasi coach, noong una ko kasing pag-join dito, for financial gain lang talaga yung goal ko. Pero later on, nakarelate ako dun sa sinabi mo na meron ka rin palang mission and vision para na makatulong sa iba, na maging happy ang iba, na mapakinggan ang kwento nila, na masasabi mo sa kanila na nakarelate ka sa kanila, naging happy ka sa tagumpay nila, at hindi lang laging pera, lagi ang basihan sa tagumpay. Napakaganda ng sinabi ninyo. Thank you so much, Coach. Kasi yan yung highest level ng success. Hindi sa pera, kundi more than that. Yung mga priceless moments. Yung makatulong ka sa iba. Na happy sila dahil sa iyo. Na hindi lang laging ang batayan ay laging financial lagi. So, Ang ganda pala ng ano nyo, coach, kasi 10 to 20 people a day na matatouch nyo ang buhay. So, napakarami pong mababago ang buhay kung
More
lahat
than,
ng
More
more than,
than,
kasi aabot
More
pa
than.
ako ng madaling araw, 12 o'clock, depende sa country na.
wow.
Sa stories ko na lang ha,
Wow.
in a day, yung stories ko, like yesterday, hindi pa 24 hours yon, 99 people are watching me. And those 99 people, if I spend time, hi, hello, how are you doing? Kasi pinapanood ka nila quietly. They're waiting for you to reach out to
Yes.
them. Not a business side. Just to see how are they doing. Right? Hindi tayo kaagad-agad sa intention natin. You're building relationship, connections
That's
to
right.
people.
Yeah.
Planting seeds is the most important. Don't be in hurry to what you want and your intention. You plant your seed, put a good deeds, they will be the one to come after you. And I've been to that kind of many, many years. And even now, even 6 years fence sitter waiting for me kasi nagplant ako ng seed sa unang conversation pa lang namin. Mawala man ang Facebook ko, hahanapin ako. Ganon ang dapat nating tingnan sa business natin. Hindi pang madalian at pansamantala. Forever to, lifetime mo to. Hindi man sila naging successful, kaibigan mo sila. Hindi mo sila kaaway o kagalit. Yun ang success mo.
beautiful.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Grabe.
Ang ganda po, Coach. Yeah.
Thank you.
Grabe.
Yeah, yung business na yun, hindi lang pang ano, no, pang puro pera, personal growth, at saka
Personal.
relationship.
Yeah.
More than money. I'm thankful talaga, Coach, na nandito ako.
Yan.
Emotional na, sorry.
Emotional ka na.
Emotional na kami.
Oo nga po.
So ngayon, dahil ang dami na nating natutunan na inspiration kay Coach Gina, punta tayo sa ating last question. Sis Divina, ikaw ang magtatanong ng last question natin. And then si Sis Del at saka si Sis Vanessa ang mag-i-invite sa ating webinar. Okay, go ahead, Sis Divina.
So, Coach Gina, ito na yung last question, ha? Sorry, naparami yung question.
It's okay.
So, many people are curious but still skeptical or afraid to step outside their comfort zone. From your journey, what advice would you give to someone who secretly hopes for something more for their life and family?
Simple lang. Don't wait too long. Put it your priority now. Sabi nga nila, kahit hindi mo alam, gagawin mo na. Just say yes. And to follow na kung anong next step. Kasi kung nasa back burner ka, nasa back ka lang all the time, mamaya na yan. O sige, pag day off ko, wag mo nang antayin pa. Take action immediately. Anyway, it's all free information. Free to join with us as a friend. Ano pang hinihintay natin? So this is actually a gift for your family and for yourself, especially if you're really having lots of challenges in life. Ang ibinibigay namin dito solusyon na kagaya ng problema namin dati-dati na solusyonan na. So polish na lahat. Ready to go na lahat. Hindi ka na maghihirap dahil nandito na yung mga mentors, coaches, and the entire community are with you. Kaya, one word lang ako, huwag mo nang patagalin. Take the action. See it for yourself first before you say no. Because who knows, this is your breakthrough in your life. Who knows, this is the solution for what you're looking for. Ayaw mo lang buksan yung opportunity. We are here not to brag, not to convince, but we are here to open the door of opportunity to whoever needs what the solution that we're giving you. Pero kung di mo i-open yung door na yan, kahit magnanak kami forever dyan, walang mangyayari sa buhay natin. We will stuck and we will wait for ilang years ba ang retirement? Di ko alam eh. 60, 65 ba?
65.
So, if
Dito sa Canada.
if I didn't listen, if I didn't open that door of opportunity for me, do you think I am into the seat that I am in now? na ang Gina Dimitrov dati naglilinis ng kubeta and all side hustles, ngayon ako na mismo ang naghahanap ng pwedeng maglinis sa bahay ko. Imagine that. Kung hindi ko ginawa yon na nag-take action dahil natatakot ako, baka pagtawanan ako, baka scam yan, pyramid yan. If I listen to those naysayers, kagaya ng sinabi mo, where I am at the moment, I should be working in my 4 to midnight shift at the moment. But thanks God, hindi ako nakinig sa mga taong alam mo yon, mga nasa likod mo, sila yung natatakot. Sila yung nag-i-stop sa gusto mong pangarap. Sila yung talagang parang enemy mo in terms of everything that what you do. So kung nakinig ako, wala ako ngayon sa situation na to. And even my husband, he's one of my skeptical husband too. But honestly, it's okay to be skeptical. But don't too hard to yourself not to see what we offer. Because sabi nga ng asawa ko, 1 year, inantay niya ako, too good to be true, show me the money, but the money came, like, bumubulusok, I don't need to explain to him. He joined me with the business, the most skeptical husband, who told me, you spend this much of money, you only get this a little, well, good luck to pay your mortgage with that. But is that an overnight success? Of course not. I have to learn. I have to apply. I have to do my own hard work before the success comes. The same. Hindi ka pupunta sa trabaho na wala kang sweldo. Ganon din dito. Mga iba kasi naiisip nila na overnight yan, one day millionaire, ganyan-ganyan. No, there's no such thing as that. Kailangan din natin gawin. Pero ang message ko dyan, take the action. See it for yourself. Who knows, this is a very, very good gift for your family and a solution for your problem at the moment. If you don't do this, when? Are you willing to wait till 65? Would you believe that I retired in mid-45 and I enjoyed my 9 years stay at home now? And I quit my corporate job, me and my husband already, stay at home forever, and our boss is our kids now. How cool is that to be, with the kids now? Mas masahol pa sa boss ang mga anak namin. Dahil sila yung sinisilbihan namin araw-araw. But thanks God, I have the flexibility to work in our business when they are at school. I have the time with my husband that I used to not have time together. Ngayon talagang everything, it's not only the money, anything that, I achieve into this business, one thing that money cannot compare, the time freedom, the real time and financial freedom. That even 9 years, sino magbabayad ng ilang mortgages kung walang kinikita ang business namin? Right? So, hindi yun pagyayabang or anything, but when I reflect to look back my life, where is Gina before and now? Kung kinaya namin ng asawa ko, kakayanin din ng lahat sa inyo. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin sa success natin or sa ladder of success natin, may humps and bumps, but we have to remain and stand to the why you're doing this. Kung ano man yung hirap na yan, giginhawa ka din one day. Huwag mo lang bitawan ang pangarap mo. Dahil once na binitawan nyo yung pangarap na yan, back to zero kayo ulit. So first thing, discipline and the consistency of what you're doing is the most important key sa inyong success one day. Kasi yun yung first, I'll share with you guys later, my ladder of success. First step is discipline. Before the success, you have to willing to sacrifice your late nights, your doubts, and all the no's of people. Marami yan. Kaya kung iisa ka pa lang na steps, congratulations, you have more steps to go before the real success in your life. Kaya kung nahihirapan kayo, it's okay. That's part of your growth. So yan lang masasabi ko. Take the action. Don't wait too long. Dahil kagaya nyo ng asawa ko, nag-wait siya ng 1 year. Kasi sometimes we wanna see the result. You cannot see the result immediately. This is not an overnight success. The result that I can be proud of, sa isang sister, 1 year niyang in-winate yun to get out of her comfort zone na pwede namang gawin on the spot right away in a week or so. Why do you need to wait for so long? That's a good lesson for us. Right? Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Gawin na natin, umpisahan na natin, bahala na kung anong next step. Hindi nyo yung puproblemahin dahil may mentor and coaches and community tayo that are really supporting everyone. Because iisa ang goal ng community natin. To quit our jobs or to have a better future, to have a better life, iisa ang goal ng community. Wala ditong hilaan pababa. Kaya I'm one of those to tell I'm really proud and thankful to this community that we have. So thank you, ladies. I overtalk.
Thank you so much, Coach Gina. Sis Divina, alam ko nakarelate ka kanina kasi nakita ko yung reaction ng mukha mo na yung sinabi ni Coach Gina, sabi ng husband niya, bakit ito lang kinita mo? O ano nangyari? Ito ang ginastos mo, ito lang ang kinita mo. Anong marireact mo dyan, Sis Divina? Kasi
Oo. Nakarelate talaga ako dyan. Nakarelate ako dyan kasi ganyan siya until now. So,
We'll talk
but
behind the
I
scenes.
keep doing it because this is not for myself. This is for all of us here, especially him and my family back home. So, it's all good. I will do it
Takes time. It takes time.
without him. So,
Yeah.
but
It takes
I'm
time to
learning.
process. Yeah.
Coach Gina, maraming salamat kasi kailangan ko na talagang umalis kasi yung isang coach ko naghihintay, may Zoom kami. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome, Sis Divina. Thank you so much, Coach Gina. At ngayon, magi-invite na ngayon si Sis Del and then si Sis Vanessa. O sinong mauna sa inyo?
Pwede ako rin.
Okay, Sis Del.
Yes, hello everybody. To those of you out there, nanay o anuman ang mga sa yung buhay, kung gusto niyong malaman kung ano ang business na to, we had to start with a pre-workshop. Ang pre-workshop na yan ay mangyayari every Tuesday at saka Thursday. So sa time ko is Central Standard Time ako, iba-iba ang time namin. Okay? So, huwag nyo nang hintayin. Sinabi na ni Coach Gina kanina na there's no perfect time o huwag yung hintayin. Kailangan yung you had to start now. Diba? Because there's no perfect time. And Coach Gina, maraming salamat sa iyo kasi everything you said from the start to the bottom, talagang nakarelate ako. Everything, every single thing. Because right now, I am still struggling. I'm there, but I'm still struggling to focus everything. But I'm showing up. I'm being consistent every day. So thank you so much for lift us up. You know. Yun lang, sis.
Thank you so much, Sis Del, Sis Vanessa. Bakit dapat nilang mapanood ang ating life-changing webinar every Tuesday and Thursday? Go ahead, sis.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Kailangan niyo pong mapanood yung aming live webinar para ma-inspired po kayo at makarelate kayo sa stories namin. Lahat po kami nagsimula from like you guys, looking for something way out to get out of our 9 to 5 to spend more time with our families. So, yes, guys, kailangan niyo talaga mapanood to at wala pong it's all learning. Wala pong mawawala sa inyo kung titingnan niyo po ito or kung susubukan niyo po ito. So, yes, katulad ng sinabi ni Sister, we have a Tuesday and Thursday na live webinar. Sometimes we also have Friday, sinishare namin sa page namin. And for the PST, it's 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here in Washington. And for Wednesday and Friday, I think they have 2 p.m. in London, UK. It's universal, guys. So if we send the invitation in our page, look at the yung time frame namin. So thank you so much, Sis Gina, for having you here.
Thank you
sis.
so much. Coach Gina, thank you so much for sharing your story, your wisdom and inspiration with all of us tonight. And to everyone who joined us, Sis Vanessa, Sis Divina, Sis Del, and Ate Marie, thank you so much po for your time. And if tonight's conversation sparked curiosity, feel free to send us a message, any one of us. We love to share more and guide you if you're ready to take your next step. Remember, sometimes the opportunities we are looking for start with just one conversation, just like this one tonight. So thank you, everyone, and we hope to see you in our next live. Good night and God bless. Bye.
Bye. See you again.
Thank you.